Are you ready for more living space, but you're not finding what you want in the limited, outdated resale market? I'm John, and I'm thrilled to introduce our newest community in the beloved Midview School District, Woods at Eaton. This premier community offers picturesque views and a variety of spacious two-story homes, most with 3-car garages. Choose from unique home site options in this private, commuter-friendly location with low taxes and no RITA. Your brand new open concept home is designed with togetherness and comfort in mind. The oversized kitchen island is perfect for homework help and meal prep. Spread out with 4 to 7 bedrooms and make your home as unique as you are, with options like a flex room, first floor bedroom, finished basement, and more. Most homes at Woods at Eaton come with an included 3-car garage, perfect for added storage and keeping cars safe from the snow. Choose from beautiful home sites with roomy backyards, wooded and pond views, walkout basements, and lush sod yards. Build a home with a rear-covered porch to create a welcoming backyard, perfect for summer cookouts. Enjoy starting the day in your spacious owner's bedroom with a walk-in closet. Your private owner's bathroom features dual vanities with extra storage and a walk-in shower, making busy mornings a breeze. Get the best of both worlds in this quiet, secluded community that's just minutes from popular commuter routes, Route 82, Route 10, I-480, and I-80. Nearby Chestnut Commons and South Park Mall are perfect for quick grocery runs and shopping trips. Or skip the meal prep and try one of the many local restaurants. Weekends are a blast with nearby attractions like Red Wagon Farm and Swings and Things, featuring pumpkin picking, go-kart racing, a buzzing brewery, and more. Want to know how you can take advantage of the best possible price and get to select your favorite home site at Woods at Eaton? Join the interest list. By joining the list, you will receive information on floor plans, updates, and invites for appointments that we don't share with the general public. More importantly, Woods at Eaton will open exclusively to you before anyone else. You'll get to schedule your one-on-one appointment, which will allow you to finally see the community for yourself and learn more about it. So join our interest list today. Your future self will thank you.